Hey, I'm Kevin,
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio
and you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. I am going to make for you one of my favorite snacks, fried mushrooms. But you know me, I always got to go boom. I got to kick it up a notch. So what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to make stuffed fried mushrooms here on Cooking with Frankie Meatball.
Hey guys, Yo Phelps here, season 20 of Worst Cooks, and you're cooking with Frankie Meatball.
Let's get started. So we're going to make our crab mixture first. So you get one stalk of celery, that's all you need, because we got one can, okay? Cut your top off, make sure you rinse it off, throw that to the side. Again, you know, you just want to chop this up nice and small. So I'm just going to cut it in half, and then cut the halves in half. Make it nice and julienne, okay? Then I'm going to cut it down here, and then just dice it up. Not too big, okay? Nicey dicey. You chopped it all up, just run your knife a little through it a little bit. Okay, now, your onion, you remember how to open the onion, you do it all the time. You cut that part off, cut it in half. Where that is, where the root is, skin comes boom, right off. Again, guys, you remember. So now, you want your cuts nice and close together, okay? Because we're going to dice this. And we're going to slice it and dice it. You know what I'm saying, guys, huh? Boom. Look at that. Right in the middle, and then boom. Chop your onion. So we're going to chop this, pretty much this whole half onion. I got my celery and my onions cut. I'm going to go saute them like I did in my crab cake video. If you haven't seen my crab cake video, you might want to push pause, go watch it, come back. If not, it doesn't matter. After this video, go back and watch it, because I'm going to teach you how to make the crab for the stuffed mushrooms the same way I make my crab cakes. Boom, it's going to be beautiful, it's going to taste good, you're going to love it. So after this video, go back and watch my crab cake video. You want to get yourself, you can use jumbo lump, whatever you want, but this is just regular lump crab meat, back fin. You want to open it, drain your water out, dump it on some parchment paper or wax paper, okay? Make sure you drain all that water out. What we're going to do is we're going to break it down, be very gentle with it, okay? Just pull it apart, and then what we're going to do is go through it, okay? And what you're doing, again, in my crab cake video, you're feeling for shells, because you don't want to eat a shell. But you're not like really ripping through it. You come over here and see, I'm just like breaking it apart nice and easy with my fingers, okay? We went through the crab. The crab's ready to go. Your onions and celery are cooked, ready to go, cooling off. Now let's make the crab cake mixture. Take one egg. All right, so my rule of thumb is for every can of crab, one egg. So you got your one egg. Get your favorite mayonnaise. You want 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. Worcestershire. You could put a half a teaspoon in, okay? But I'm just going to put a couple drops in there. About that much, okay? Now, hot sauce is optional. You can use your favorite hot sauce. I like using this one because it's got a nice fruity taste, okay? So we're going to put a couple drops in that. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, not too much. I mean, you could go as heavy as you want, you know. It's your world. You can use Old Bay. You can use any kind of seafood seasoning you want. Today, I'm using this new guy that I just picked up. Huh? I'm going to change it up from Old Bay. You know what I'm saying? Everybody uses Old Bay. So, I mean, why not change it up, okay? So you want to put 1 tablespoon of seafood seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, salt, pepper, just a pinch of each to taste. You got the white pepper, you really don't need black pepper, but I like peppering it up. I got my hot sauce, black pepper, white pepper, any kind of pepper I like to put it in, the hotter the better. Hey, forget about it, you know? So, anyway, after you got all that in, you grab yourself a whisk and whisk it together. Get your crab. Dump your crab in there nice and gentle. Be gentle with the crab, huh? You want to get your onions and celery, and you want to dump them in as well. You got your crab in. You got your celery and onion. Now what you want to do is mix it together. Now, don't stir it. Going to fold it in. Fold it in. Very nice and easy. See, look. Boom. Fold. Fold it in, all right? It's going to get all mixed together. Just fold it in. The reason why you don't want to stir it in, because the crab's going to get all broken up, okay? You don't want the crab broken up. You got the batter mixed in. You want to grab a handful of breadcrumb. It's up to you how much breadcrumb you want to put in. It's up to you. The less breadcrumb in there, the more crab meat. Boom, man. So again, we want to just fold that in there, okay? Fold that in there. You don't want it too dry. You don't want it too wet. You want it like kind of like a meatball. Eh? Like a meatball consistency. See what I did there? All right. So we're going to just fold it in again. Now this is perfect. Look at that. See how that changed? Very nice, right? You got your breadcrumb in there. Now the last thing you want to put in there is a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. I separated my mushrooms. The small ones, then I'm going to fry up by themselves. I love fried mushrooms. Did I say that? Of course I did. But anyway, and the other ones, nice size, because we're going to take out the stem. Boom. See that? Look. Remember how we did it? Boom. Look at that. See that? Boom. See that nice little pocket for crab, huh? Alright, so we're going to put them to the side. Now the ones that we're going to fry, just cut the tips off, okay? Be a moil. Cut the tips. Boom. Alright? Boom. You got your mushrooms that we're just going to make the fried. Throw them in your flour. Get them all floured up, alright? Get them nice and coated. Look at this. See how nice and coated they are? Huh? Get them nice and coated. And also, when you wash your fresh mushrooms, like in the other video, I didn't run them under cold water. You might think, they got dirt on them. I got to run them on cold. No. I use a paper towel, brush off the dirt. This is like a sponge. It's going to soak up your water, okay? 5 eggs, 5 jumbo eggs, large eggs, whatever you got. Start off with 5, whatever you want. I got 5 eggs. One has a double yolk. Look, see that? Double yolk. So let's just scramble that up. Take your mushroom, get it nice and wet with the egg. Boom. That's what I do. Alright, look at that. Boom. Nice and nice. Alright, get that nice and coat it. So now we got them all breaded. We're going to take some breadcrumb, throw it on your plate, whatever you're going to do, wherever you put them before you cook them. Okay? Look at that. I love this plate. This is great for barbecues and all. Guys, again, I am so thrilled about Wilmex. Alright? And I wrote them a letter and I said to them, I said, hey, look, I'm using your dishes and I would love for the Meatball Maniacs, if they want it, they could purchase it. It's like, but could you do anything on the price? No, he says, yeah. He said, I'll give them 20% off. Click the link below in the description. If you like the Wilmex stuff, if you want to just look at it, click the link. Just take a look, guys. I'm telling you, believe me, I'm not trying to sell anything. I'm not a sales guy. I just, hey, look, if I got something beautiful, I like to share. Something good, I like to share it, you know? Now, you got your fried mushrooms done. Now, it's time to kick it up a notch. You got your crab mixture. And plus, I got 1 pack of mushrooms. This will make way more than that. So, after I make these mushrooms, I'm going to brew myself some crab cakes. But anyway, let's get started on these. Look, you see me smiling? I can't wait to eat this. But anyway, grab yourself a nice little spoon. Grab yourself a nice little spoon, a nice little dabble of that. Okay, push that nicey nice in there. Just like that, nicey nice. Okay? Now, roll it in the flour. Okay? Gonna roll it in the flour and we're gonna sit her to the side. Nice little crab over there. Just push that down. Bada boom, bada bang. You're gonna love these. I'm telling you, they're amazing. My stuffed mushrooms are all stuffed. They're in the flour. Okay, so now you take them from the flour. If there's too much flour, just pat them off a little bit. Okay? Pat them to the side. Let some of that fall off. You take it, again, make sure you get a good coating on the mushroom. Okay? Make sure there's no dry spots. Okay? Put it into the flour and then flour her down. Ooh, boy, you're gonna love this. I'm so happy, guys. These are amazing. I'm so happy I'm making these for you guys. Oh, man, I'm telling you, you're gonna love these. My oil's heating up to 350. It's just about there. I'm gonna take my mushrooms over to the stove and fry them up. It's at 350, okay? See what I got myself over here? I got the nice little wire rack, you know, what I usually do, right? So they drip dry, and then they come out, boom, we're going to hit them with a little bit of salt, capiche? So let's get these mushrooms in. I just picked up this little thingamajiggy, right? You use whatever you want. Remember I used the little, spoon with the holes in it? Right? I'll shake up the excess a little bit, and then look, place them nice and nice in the oil. Oh, yeah. You want them, like, golden brown, you know what I'm saying? Like with our fried chicken, you want it nicey nice, you know? I could give you some time, but see, you know, Frankie Meatball don't cook by time. He cooks by heart and he cooks by eye, because you gotta know what to look for. If it looks good enough to eat, then hey, guess what? It should be done. Alright. They don't take long to cook, so don't go fly away. Stay with them. Alright? Oh, yes. Yes, I'm going to leave them in for another minute, guys. Look at that. Yeah, we're going to give her one more minute, and then we're going to take them out. Look at that. Look at these guys. Oh, my Lanta, huh? Looky what Hooky's got, huh? Lookity look, huh? Beautiful, look at these mushrooms, huh? Now we're just gonna hit it with some salt, boom, huh? Of course, when you cook, the temperature drops down, so we're gonna let this temperature come back up. And we're gonna throw in the grand finale. That's right, the crab stuffed fried mushrooms. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. Boom. Put your crab cake mushrooms. Oh, crab cake mushrooms. Pretty nice, whatever you want to call them. Crab stuffed fried mushrooms in your little basket or your spoon or whatever, or you just roll them in. But I'm going to put them in nice and easy. Look at that, huh? Look at them, huh? Hey, they look like little meatballs. Nice, right? Nice color. We're going to let them cook a little more, guys. We'll let them cook a little more. I can't wait to sink my teeth in them. I can't wait until you sink your teeth in them, huh? I must burn my face. You want to cook a meatball, huh? You want to fry a meatball? Let me put my head in there, huh? Look at this. Not on, huh? We'll put them down here. Boom. Very nice. We're going to hit it with a salt from up top so it's even, huh? Boom. Let me tell you guys, look at these mushrooms, huh? You got your regular fried mushrooms here, huh? You got your crab stuffed fried mushrooms here. Let me cut one open for you. Let's see what this looks like, guys. Oh man, look at that. You got the crab there. Look at that crab. You got the mushroom. Oh my God. Fried stuffed mushrooms. Forget about it. What's not to like? You got your tartar sauce. You got your kicked up sriracha tartar sauce. Your regular fried mushrooms, guys. You can dip these in rissoles. You can dip these in ranch dressing. Whatever tickles your fancy. Follow us on Instagram. Like us on Facebook. I'm telling you guys, Frankie Meatball Maniac Mania, guys. Get aboard on it. Shirts coming out real soon. So, Jenzy, what can these people do?
If you like what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on that bell notification so you get notified when a new video comes out every Wednesday. And don't forget, check out PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the 4/5 to the Bad Mothers of Rock.
Bad Mamas of Rock.
They play my favorite, Mach 22, Rat Rod, Ozzy Osbourne, and lots more others.
So, we're just gonna tell them. Until next time. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meeple production.